Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your credit card data with Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your credit card data with Bank of America, start by familiarizing yourself with the bank's security features. Log into your Bank of America online banking account. Navigate to the Security Settings section. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Choose a secure password that is unique and not easily guessable. Regularly update your password to maintain security. Set up account alerts to notify you of any suspicious transactions. Monitor your account activity frequently for any unauthorized charges. If you notice any unfamiliar transactions, report them immediately. Use Bank of America's mobile app for convenient account management. Ensure your phone has the latest security updates installed. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for banking activities. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network or VPN. Be cautious of email and text scams that mimic Bank of America communications. Always log out of your account when you finish your banking session. Ensure your devices have up-to-date antivirus and anti-malware software. Store your credit card information securely and do not share it unnecessarily. If you're shopping online, look for secure payment options. Consider using virtual card numbers for online purchases to further protect your data. Regularly review your credit report for any discrepancies. Contact Bank of America immediately if you suspect your credit card data has been compromised. By following these steps, you can enhance the safety of your credit card information while banking with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.